all, we will decorate with our new theme, new set of toys, and we'll have a different look altogether. So today I am taking you through one of the decorative corner of my living room. This is a glass top teapot which I am using for this corner, and on that we'll have some decoration. So I am having few indoor plants. This is Areca palm. This is another Areca palm planter. So this is a smaller one and this is a bigger one. So I am using it for giving different heights in our decor. If you are using indoor plant decor idea, so let's keep in mind you will use indoor plants for doing this type of decoration. So make sure you are using indoor plant, as well as please check sunlight directly coming to that particular place or not, because it again impacts your plant health. So keep those points in mind while doing any decoration. So I am having these two Areca palms which I generally keep indoor as well as outdoor. So they are best suited for this. Another thing I am having is variated honey plant. So I am using this. This is one of my favorite thing, which is a snake plant I am using. So I have different shape and colors of dinosaurs. So this is a set of 5, I guess, dinosaurs, and this you might have seen many times. Kids love to take this kind of chocolates, and this is the one I got it with the chocolate or candies. Okay, another one small car I'm using, and two stones I'm using. So let's start arranging first our planters, and then we will give all decorative item on top of them. So I'm just arranging it. So again, stool came in one toy set. I'm using this stool for giving additional height. This is a colorful pot I'm adding on top here. After that, just hiding the leg, this particular stool leg, and keeping this here. Palm tree is there. After one more Areca palm is there, so I'm keeping this to other side. I have this wooden block. I took this, I will use this block I have added here. So this will look like dinosaur eggs. So I would like to keep it here. After that, I add one dinosaur. paint this with the white acrylic color, and then we will keep a small dino into this. Okay.
Lastly, add fairy lights to your arrangement, and here we go. It's ready.
Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share this channel, and keep watching, keep visiting this channel for new ideas and new implementation using old toys or old things. So let's enjoy home decor and garden decor. Have a good day. Bye bye.